Hey everyone, welcome back to our quick tech tutorial channel. Today, we're diving into something super handy. How to add your Chase Sapphire card to Google Pay. If you're tired of fumbling for your wallet during payments, this step-by-step guide will get you set up in no time. It's perfect for making contactless payments at stores, online, or even for splitting bills with friends. Plus, with Chase Sapphire's rewards, you'll earn points on every tap. First things first, before we jump in, make sure you have a few essentials ready. You'll need your Chase Sapphire card, the Google Pay app installed on your Android device, and access to your Chase account for verification. This whole process should only take a couple of minutes, but let's go through it step by step to avoid any hiccups. Step 1. Open the Google Pay app on your phone. If you don't have it, download it from the Google Play Store. It's free and straightforward. Step 2. Once you're in the app, tap on your profile icon in the top right corner, then select Payment Methods or Add a Card. This is where the magic begins. Step 3. Choose the option to add a new card. You can either manually enter your Chase Sapphire card details, like the card number, expiration date, and CVV, or use your phone's camera to scan the card for quicker setup. Step 4. After entering the details, Google Pay will prompt you to verify the card. This usually involves receiving a one-time verification code from Chase via text message or through the Chase app. Just follow the on-screen instructions to enter that code. Step 5. Once verified, your Chase Sapphire card will be added to Google Pay. You might see a confirmation screen. Double-check that everything looks good, like the card name and type. And just like that, you're all done. Now you can start using your card for seamless payments. One quick tip. Always ensure your phone is unlocked and Google Pay is set as your default payment app for the smoothest experience. If you encounter any errors, like verification issues, head over to the Chase website or app for help. They're usually pretty responsive. Thanks for watching, folks. If this tutorial helped you out, hit that like button, subscribe for more easy tech tips, and drop a comment below if you have any questions. See you in the next video. Stay tech savvy.